Okay, this is Prosper Wise and maybe once again. In this video, we're gonna look at how to view and download your course files or your program files on Collegedeskgh website. So let's assume you are already on the site. So if you are already on the site, what you do is that you switch to your course. So let's assume you are doing JHS course program. It takes you here, it pops out the courses available on the site. So let's say you are doing or you are reading mathematics. This is the Windows view of the tutorial. I will also show you how to do that using phone. Okay, so let's say you are using phone. This will be your interface, so you have just to switch. So you have courses here. So let's say you're doing mathematics. So you're doing mathematics. Let's say you are doing mathematics, so it has loaded. You see the pop-up. So when the chat menu pop-ups, you just have to close it down, continue. So let's say on a phone interface, you scroll down, that is mathematics level 200 first semester. So let's say you scroll down, let's assume you are in level 300. Then you want to check or read or download a file on that is calculus, learning, teaching and applying calculus. So you click it, it's loaded, you get it. So learning, teaching and applying calculus. So the course outline is here. Then you see complete calculus course outline. So you see, you just have to scroll. But then maybe using phone, the interface is too small for you, so you need to download. This is why I'm here. This is why we are here. So how do you view this, broaden this? So if you want to view this properly, you click here. So you click here, then you have a broader view of the file. Okay, the file, this calculus. So it will load. Good. So how do you download? If you want to download, you click on this button here. This is phone, but then you also see the same icon using phone. Okay, this is machine anyway, using phone interface, but you find this when you're using a real phone. So you just click it, then the file will be downloaded. So if you want to come back to the site, switch, come back to the site. So let's look at how to do that with the Windows or with laptops or machines using Windows interface. So let's say level 200, same thing here. So let's go to calculus. So calculus, good. So you see the course outline. So yeah, see the file. So yeah, the file is quite okay to read on the site. Yeah, it's quite okay, it's quite broad because it is Windows view. So it's quite it's all load. Yes, have a little patience. Good. So you see, it's quite okay for you to read directly from the page anyway. But then if you still want to view, then you click on that. So you see the broader view of the file. Okay, so then how do you download it? The same way, you click on this button, then you download it into your computer, and you can find this in your download file manager or in the download folder of your computer file manager. Thank you very much for having this time with us once again. So please kindly like, share and comment, and recommend this tutorial, this site to your friends and colleagues. in the educational sphere. Thank you once again.